here at the airport. So for this trip, I'm excited to go back to a place where I called home for about 2 to 3 years, and that is Indonesia. So this was my third assignment, my third expat assignment after Singapore and Vietnam. So I'm excited to share and experience as well what has changed in Indonesia for the past 7 years. So please join me in this journey as I also experience a lot of many firsts. So in this trip, it's my first time to take a non-direct flight to Jakarta. Kasi mga besh, hindi ko rin kaya mag-red eye. So I'm taking a Singapore flight rather, to Jakarta via Singapore. So I'll let you know what the experience is like and how it is before I get to Jakarta. Ang hirap paghanap ng spot dito sa airport kasi ang daming tao. I didn't realize that at this time, ang daming mga scheduled flights, ang daming mga tao. And as you saw, very busy pa rin yung immigration. But I also saw a lot of like improved services like on inside the airport. I mean, marami ng mga kiosks. Although it's not operational yet, but I think naka-set up na siya for faster movement around the airport. And also, I was surprised na meron na palang Shake Shack dito. So, marami na mga bagong restaurants. It's just ang daming tao. So, you really have to look for a place where you can settle down. And, you know, for this trip, I'm a solo traveler. So, medyo naghanap ako ng table where I can sit. Kasi, unahan talaga where you want to stay and have a quick early breakfast before the trip. So, I'll see you later when I get to Singapore. See you! Nakalimutan ko sabihin, I'm flying Singapore Airlines. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na yung plane. See you! Hello! So we're here now in Singapore, in transit in Singapore. Nakakatuwa kasi parang this airport is so familiar to me as I lived here also for almost 2 years. So excited to be here kahit in transit for a few hours. Ngayon iniisip ko lang kasi parang Terminal 2 na to eh. According to the ticket, Terminal 2 din yung terminal kung saan yung flight to Jakarta from Singapore. So, hinahanap ko ngayon yung process. Kasi first time ko mag-transit din. So, hindi ko alam kung paano yung way and which way to go. So, good luck to me. I'll keep you posted. See you later. Ayun, I found it. So according to yung schedule doon, Terminal 2 na nga to. And sa Gate F50. So, Gate F50, transfer counter EF. Okay, let's see kung paano. Pupunta ba muna ako sa counter or diretso na ako sa gate? I so love to mga travelators dito sa Singapore kasi ang bilis niya. Kahit ang laki-laki ng airport, hindi ka mapapagod maglakad kasi may mga walkalators or travelators. Okay, I hope I'm going to the right direction. Ay, naku, naka-English mode na naman ako kasi syempre foreign country na naman. Welcome to Singapore Changi Airport. I asked dito sa transfer lounge kung paano yung process. So, sabi naman nung nakausap ko, for as long as you have your boarding pass na, then you can already go straight to the gate. O, diba? Napaka-efficient. And, ang oras ngayon ay, hang on, 11:40 pa yung boarding. So, pwede pa ako mag-ikot-ikot at mag-shopping or kumain. We'll see kung ano yung malapit at pwedeng madadaanan na lang. Okay, so ang gate is, ano yung sabi kanina? F4. So, hanapin ko na lang. Alright, see you later! Alright, nakita ko na yung gate. So, dito lang siya. Sa area na to. And I found also the nearest restaurant where I could take a quick bite. Kasi 11:35 ang boarding. But as of now, yun pa rin yung gate. So hopefully, walang changes. And malapit ako dun sa gate area. Anyway, can I just say, ang ganda na itong lugar na to. I will show you. Diba? This one. Oh, diba? Parang you don't feel like you're inside the airport. May mga birds pang chirping. Narinig niyo ba? Oh, it's so calming. Makakaya calming din kasi syempre sa airport, to lessen the stress, lalo na kung late ka or hindi mo napansin na iba pala yung gate or self-imposed stress kasi napagastos ka. Anyway, okay. Okay, see you later. Love Life. Wow, ang cute naman ng packaging. Smile and the world smiles back. Whoa. Boost. Love Life. Healthy never tasted so good. Tikman nga natin. Sarap naman. Hinigyan ko kasi ng ginger for extra 50 cents. Kasi feeling ko kasi medyo bloated ako. O, diba? May ganong concerns. Eh, alam ko, anti-inflammatory ang ginger. Tingnan natin kung mag-work. Masarap naman. Juice na juice. Kailangan natin i-boost ang ating immune system dahil 10 days pa tayo dito sa part of this part of the world. Excited ako sa gagawin ko mamaya. Kasi i-meet ko yung friend ko who's gonna pick me up at the Safarno Airport. And from there, sabi ko lang, gusto ko magpamasal kasi puyat-puyat dahil 2 o'clock pala, gising na pala ako kanina. So 2 o'clock, so gising na ako. Anong oras na ba? It's 11:30 na. No, 11:25. So, ayun naman yung kamay ko. So, mga 9 hours na akong gising, di ba? Well, nakatulog ako sa plane. Ayun na pala ang chika. So, oh my God, I'm really impressed. Kasi parang this is, for a long time, matagal ko na rin din Singapore Airlines. So, I was really impressed. Of course, Singapore Airlines is the best or one of the best airlines in the world. Pero, ibang klase yung service kasi parang wala pang, I think, wala pang 1 hour or hindi ko naramdaman yung oras. Well, first, umalis sila on time. Hindi delayed yung flight kanina. And then, wala pang 1 hour, sinerve na agad yung food. And ang dami ng food. I mean, for an economic ticket. By the way, I paid around $330. And yun nga, may connecting flight na siya. It was a choice between taking a red-eye flight from Manila, which is like either PAL or Cebu PAC. Pero when I was checking the price, mga $280. So sabi ko, parang for the extra $50, parang worth it na rin kasi at least hindi siya red eye. Tapos, you get a chance pa to pass by Changi, and iba rin naman talaga yung service ng Singapore Airlines. And gusto ko rin ma-experience yung connecting flight kasi some of my friends dati pag binivisit ako sa Jakarta, they take Singapore Airlines. So, I've never experienced that kasi nga lagi akong PAL and Cebu PAC, which are direct flights. So, yun, as in for me, parang okay na din kasi ang galing ng service talaga. Tapos nakatulog ako, tapos yung pagpasok mo pa lang yung Chris World, which is their in-flight service, available na. So, hindi pa mainit yung puwet mo. Pwede ka na manood ng movie. And very comfortable siya kasi may blanket sa binigay. So, halfway nga nakatulog ako eh. Ayun, so, and yung pa pala, yung highlight. Siyempre yung highlight yung, ko, nangangawit ako. Yung highlight yung CR ng plane. Kasi, parang may UV light. Kapag pasok mo, may UV light. Tapos as you turn on the lights, magkakailaw. And feeling ko, sterilized na yung lugar. As in, kasi parang may UV light eh. Tapos, winner talaga kasi automated din yung water. Tapos yung, hindi ko alam kung anong brand yung soap, pero mabango yung soap. And meron ding lotion. So, winner talaga. As in, iba talaga ang full service airline. And yung pa pala, yung windows, hindi mo na kailangan i-close kasi at some point, it will darken. So, kahit na maliwanag sa labas, as in, madilim pa rin sa loob. Diba? Yung pa pala, may wifi sa loob. And dahil may KrisFlyer ako, na number, na matagal na, ever since na nag-work pa ako dito sa Singapore, na nakip ko siya. If you're a KrisFlyer member, you get complimentary Wi-Fi. O, diba? Ang galing. As in, ang galing. As in, talagang full service, as may mga sockets pa. You can open and charge your laptops, your cell phones. And, basta, it's super galing. Worth it. Hello! Oh my God, so we finally made it here in Jakarta. Nandito na ako sa Jakarta. And nandito na rin ako sa bago nilang airport. Kasi dati yung airport, although the name is the same, Sukarno International Airport. This is their new airport. Bigger and as in talagang sobrang modern. Para siyang Singapore, parang Changi. Ay, hindi naman. Basta it's bigger. Kasi dati, yung airport nila was, I would say, smaller. Pero maganda rin dati kasi yung unique Indonesian style sa decor nandoon. Okay, kakarating ko lang and I'm still discovering the new airport. So I'll let you know. Yeah. Welcome to Jakarta! Okay. Okay, it's already 1:50 in the afternoon. I forgot na 1 hour ahead ang Manila sa Jakarta. So, sa Manila is 2:50 na. So, ayun, it's only 1:50.
Your attention please. Announcing the arrival of 1 p.m. on flight number W184.
I forgot. Basta I'll post it na lang here, somewhere here, yung website where you can download the arrival form and yung all Indonesia form. Grabe, ang ganda at ang laki ng airport. Alright, so we're here in our room, and of course, because we just arrived, kumare, we just arrived, let me give you our traditional room tour. So, para makita niyo yung itsura ng mga hotels dito sa Jakarta. So, para namang may pagkakaiba. Teka, lilipat ko lang sandali para makita niyo. Ayan. So, this is the bed. Okay, this is the bed. And oh my God, welcome. This is Jakarta. This is, di ba? Ang ganda ng view. Funny thing is, yung office namin, I'll show it na lang later. Ayan. Teka. Yan. Tama ba? I think so, yes. Diyan ako nag-work before. Yung parang may green na mirror, na glass, tapos may mga gray lines. Yan yung Menara Global, if I'm not mistaken. Diyan ako nag-work before. Yes. So, hello, Jakarta! Hello! So, yes. Again, in ang bed. Ay, lapit. Diba? Ayan na naman. Ang see-through na toilet. Diba? Best for couples. Ayan. Okay, so, yan, merong yan, pakita ko may TV, may table. Tapos, yan. Meron silang safety deposit box. Merong ref. Okay, tapos ito na yung comfort room. Ayan. Diba? Towels. Diba? Branded ang liquid soap. Elemental Herbology. Yan. Ako yan. Correct. Para sabi, sino ba yung nagsasalita na naman? Hello, salamat datang di Jakarta. Ayan. Separate. Merong shower room. Okay. Akala ko sauna. Separate yung inodoro. Ay, tama ba? Yung toilet. Yung toilet. Diba? May bidet. Ay, oo nga pala. Yes. Indonesia is a bidet country. Kasi may napuntahan kaming mga countries na walang bidet. Like Australia. Ayan. So, ganun din ang branded din ang shampoo at body wash. Okay. Ayan. Diba? Kitang-kita ang bed from the toilet. Ayun. Ang hirap. Ayan. Sana. Okay, ayan. Diba? Ang decor. Diba? Ooh. I'm sure may ibig sabihin yung mga drawings dyan. Yun yata yung Garuda If I'm not mistaken, this one. Yun yata yung Garuda. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, kung ano ibig sabihin. Hello again, Jakarta. I miss you so much. It has been 7 years. Okay, yun na muna ang room tour. So, after this, what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna have a massage kasi nga it's just a chill day kasi nga I've been up since oras 2:30. So sabi ko, today I will just have a massage and then after that, dinner, quiet dinner before our city tour tomorrow. So I'm excited to share with you kung anong city tour in a Muslim, country like Jakarta. At ano bang mapupuntahan dito, 'di ba? Miss, I guess, tataka kayo. Ganyan talaga ang weather dito sa Jakarta. Medyo cloudy. Yeah, I guess, smog din yata yan. Pero, it gives a chilly feel. So, which I like kasi at least hindi sobrang init. Although sabi ng friend ko, mainit daw ngayon. So, pero parang so far okay naman. Ang taas natin. Oh, diba? May demonstration sa baba. Diba? Syempre hot pa rin ang mga ganap dito pero safe naman. Parang sa Pilipinas din, diba? Pero dito at least parang hindi naman din violent ang kanilang mga demonstrations. Okay. See you later. Hello! So, nandito na kami sa Senja. And it's a spa na aalamin ko pa mamaya ang location kasi nag-drive na kami papunta dito and parang siyang bahay, ayan siya, and meron siyang male and female therapy, so balitaan ko kayo later kung how's the massage, and ang kinuha pala namin is aromatherapy. See you later. Hello! So, syempre kakaupo ko lang. So, itong Senja is in Chinanda. Yes. So, yeah. I'll just lalagay ko lang dito sa ilalim yung kanilang website and the rates. So I just had a massage. I just finished having a massage. Pasensya na, medyo inaantok na. Super sarap. Ang galing. And what's good about this place is they have both males and females. So for 90 minutes, you pay about 250,000 rupiah. I'll put the computation here. Super good, super worth it. Hello! So, tapos na ang massage. Kaya ganito ang mga mata kasi inaantok na. Kaya bagay na after a massage, syempre very light meal. Light meal! So, ayan ang ramen and some karage. Vegetable karage. Tikman natin. Ayan naman yung kamay ko. Tikman natin. Thank you sa ating supportive friend. Yan, makasih Sorry. Perfect. Thank you. O, diba? Sana nagustuhan niya. Hey guys, so if you really like my vlog, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Salamat po. Be kind. Bye.